I'm going to be teaching you how to get mods for Lethal Company to play with me. You should have a clean install, but I didn't do it. Step number 1, own the game. Step number 2, you need to go to the thunderstore website and get the app right here. Once that app has been downloaded and installed, you want to open the thunderstore, search for Lethal Company, give it a star, select the game, and once the game has been selected, you want to go here to import update, import new profile from code. You will copy the code that I've given you down below. You paste it in, hit import, and it'll create this Argo profile. Hit select profile, and then go ahead and update all if you get that message that comes up. Once that is done, click this modded button up here. Lethal Company will launch to Steam, and you should be able to join me. Thank you, and enjoy the game.